Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Plasma Cutter in 2025. Top 1. PRIMEWELD CUT6060 Amp Non-Touch Pilot Arcade PT60 Torch Plasma Cutter 110V/220V Dual Voltage 3-year Warranty. Modern, versatile plasma cutter, the PRIMEWELD CUT60P is a user-friendly machine that doesn't require any special skills or experience. It's built to last and is ideal for top-notch cuts, fast turnaround times and ease of operation. This versatile unit is perfect for both industrial construction work and home hobby use and can be used to create artistic patterns in metals. Impressive features, with blowback start technology, 60% duty cycle at 60 amps and dual voltage 110V/220V with adapter, there are plenty of elements in this 60 amp plasma cutter to make it worthy of a place in your workshop. Best of all is the continuous pilot arcade, which allows you to cut expanded, rusted and painted metals. Small and lightweight arcade plasma cutter, this plasma cutter is highly portable so you can take it wherever it's needed, from the job site to home workshops and beyond. It's an ideal cutting device that can quickly and easily be attached to generators and welders. PT60 torch included, this plasma cutting machine includes a Pint 60 blowback cutting torch, complete with a Top 2. Plasma cutter, BTC800DP 9th generation 80 amps pilot arcade plasma cutter machine, adopt air sensor technology dual voltage 110/220V plasma cutting machine, BTC800DP 9 Gen 110/220V. Pilot arcade function BTC800DP 9th best arc plasma cutter has the pilot arc function. It is a high-frequency non-touch arc starting mode. The torch head does not need to touch the metal plate. The cutting methods of mesh and plate are added to solve the problem that cutting mesh is easy to break. Arc digital screen display. The screen of the plasma cutter machine displays the parameters centrally such as air pressure, voltage, and current, allowing users to understand the equipment status in real time and adjust operations in a timely manner, improving operational efficiency. If plasma cutter cannot work, the screen comes with an error code system, making it easy to find out the problems. Air sensor technology. The air sensor built into the machine displays the air pressure on the front panel of the machine. Users can adjust the air pressure manually through the air regulator. Air pressure cannot be automatically adjusted. Top 3. Lotos LTP8080A plasma cutter with pilot arcade metal cutter, 1-inch clean cut, brown. Cut thickness, ideal cut, 1 inch. Maximum, 1½ inch. OUPUT, current 20 to 88 duty cycle, 40C, 104F, 60% at 80A and 100% at 50A. Suitable for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum. Input, voltages 210 to 250V, 1 pH, 50/60 Hz. Current 200 to 220V, 1 pH, 50A. Recommend circuit breaker size, 60 amp. Non-touch pilot arcade, pilot arc torch efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. 2T/4T enabled, release your finger for long time cut? The compatible consumables SETS for this brown color LTP8000D plasma cutter are BCON40 and BCON90. Please search Lotos BCON40 or BCON90. Buy with confidence. We offer 30 days refund and a 3 years limit. Top 4. GUOZHI CNC plasma cutter, 55 amp non-HF non-touch pilot arcade, THC torch heights control enabled, dual voltage 110V/220V digital plasma cutter machine. Non-HF pilot arcade non-touch plasma cutter. GUOZHI 55 NHF plasma cutter has non-HF pilot arc non-touch plasma cutting, no interference to human body. The cutting effect is very strong and the effect is 1.5 times higher than the ordinary cutting machine. Advanced technology? This cutter can cut normally at -20 degrees. Maximum cutting thickness is 6/5, the ideal clean cutting thickness is 1 inch. high cutting speed, smooth cutting section and no polish demands. This plasma cutter able to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum and other metal materials. Safety guarantee? GUOZHI 55NHF cutting machine with automatic drainage function, protect the electrode and nozzle. 2T/4T test function, easy to operation. This cutter with overheating and overcurrent protection functions, with excellent and reliable quality, use more safety. Set up within 1 minute. MMPT 1/4 inch industrial D-type coupler, can easily and quickly connect to the air compressor, making it more convenient and easier for the users to use. Top 5. Everlast PowerPro 205C 200 AC DC TIG50 A plasma cutter multi-process welder PP205C. Lightweight and portable AC DC welder with pulse and cutter, IGBT Infineon modules, inverter technology, 200A AC DC TIG/200A stick/50 A plasma cutter combo, good duty cycle ratings for TIG, stick, and plasma, low dross cuts on steel up to 5/8 with up to 3/4 maximum capacity, under ideal conditions, easy to use controls with simple selector switch for process changeover, quick change out of torches for easy change from TIG to plasma back to TIG, looking for a good all-around welder with some extra features? The PowerPro 205C from Everlast is designed to be just that unit. With 200 amp TIG, 160 amp stick and 50 amp plasma cutter capabilities, the digitally controlled IGBT inverter welder cutter is an all-in-one solution that is useful in many situations where space and portability are key concerns. The flexibility and versatility that the multi-process PowerPro 205S offers is hard to beat. Stable arc performance helps both hobbyists and professionals to make quality repairs in the field or in the fab shop. Top 6. Everlast PowerPro 205C 200 amp AC DC TIG50 A plasma cutter multi-process welder PP205C. Lightweight and portable AC DC welder with pulse and cutter, IGBT Infineon modules, inverter technology, 200A AC DC TIG/200A stick/50 A plasma cutter combo, good duty cycle ratings for TIG, stick, and plasma, low dross cuts on steel up to 5/8 with up to 3/4 maximum capacity, under ideal conditions, easy to use controls with simple selector switch for process changeover, quick change out of torches for easy change from TIG to plasma back to TIG, looking for a good all-around welder with some extra features? The PowerPro 205C from Everlast is designed to be just that unit. With 200 amp TIG, 160 amp stick and 50 amp plasma cutter capabilities, the digitally controlled IGBT inverter welder cutter is an all-in-one solution that is useful in many situations where space and portability are key concerns. The flexibility and versatility that the multi-process PowerPro 205S offers is hard to beat. Stable arc performance helps both hobbyists and professionals to make quality repairs in the field or in the fab shop.
Top 7.
PowerPlasma 82i80 Amp CNC compatible plasma cutter. IGBT Infineon modules/inverter technology, 80 amp inverter tight cutter at 60% duty cycle, 5-year, parts and labor, ideal for regularly cutting a maximum 1 inch, maximum cut for quality at 10 to 12 IPM, steel, 1 1/4, easy starting with blowback pilot arc allows easy cutting of rusty and painted metals, adjustable post-flow control up to 50 seconds to improve consumable and torch life, overcurrent and duty cycle protection indicates fault with a dedicated warning diagnostic light, and shuts down output until condition is resolved.
Top 8.
Everlast HATCHET 6110V/220V60 inverter plasma cutter. Easy starting with blowback pilot arc allows easy cutting of rusty and painted metals, cuts virtually any type of metal, simple to use torches with inexpensive service parts and consumables, light commercial class, 35% duty cycle at 60 amps, clean, smooth cuts with a genuine IPT60 torch, Blowback starts are fast and reliable. Pilot arc improves performance and cutting on dirty, painted, or rusted metals. Ready to chop up a bit of metal? The hatchet is a no-nonsense type of cutter designed just for hand cutting that stands ready to accurately tackle common everyday chores in small shops and home garages. The small stature and lightweight of the cutter indicates that this unit is designed to be a space saver. Add to that fact the 120-240 dual voltage operating capability of the machine, and you'll see that the unit is perfect for those needing to go portable for the racetrack, restaurants, or even light HVAC work.
Top 9.
Yes, Welder Plasma Cutter Welder Combo Gas MIG Gasless MIG Lift TIG Stick Cut 5-in-1 Welding Machine Firstless MP200 Multi-Process Welder. Gas MIG, Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, Stick, Cut 5-in-1 Welder, can take up to 0.9 mm, 0.035 MIG solid wire, gas MIG, and 0.9 mm, 0.035 MIG flux wire, gasless MIG. Apply to D100/D200 rolls, 10 pounds, of MIG wire. Ideal for 7018/6011/6010 electrode. Smart memory and system reset.
Top 10.
Plasma Cutter, ADM Blowback Pilot Arcade Air Sensor Technology Plasma Cutter, 110V/220V Dual Voltage Non-HF CNC Plasma Cutting Machine, Digital Screen Display, BTC 800 XP11 Gen 110V/220V. CNC function. Best arc plasma cutter features a blowback technology, non-HF pilot arc with CNC capability, which prevents high-frequency signal interference and enhances cutting stability. Blowback pilot arc. Non-touch the metal. Start the arc. Plasma cutter machine has 2 connection ports, 2-pin connector for arc voltage output, 1:1 ratio, and 5-pin connector for signal control. This design makes it easy to work with CNC cutting tables. Cutting thickness. Non-HF pilot arc plasma cutter boasts an automatic detection feature for input voltages of both 110V and 220V, 60% duty cycle single phase. It is recommended for cutting thicknesses up to 14 mm at 40A on 110V with 50 psi, 25 mm at 80A on 220V with 60 psi. The circuit breaker specifications require a 60A unit for 110V operation and a 50A unit for 220V. This versatile plasma cutter is ideal for use on materials including stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.